Hey guys, so this video I have some Walmart online tool clearance deals to share with you. All of these are in stock, ready to go. Of course, if you're a Walmart Plus member, you'll get free shipping. If your order total gets over $35, you'll also get free shipping, which I think you're going to be able to do for this one. Again, all of them are available online. In yesterday's Walmart video, those were mostly in-store stuff, but if you missed it, you should definitely check it out because there's some really good deals if you're willing to go check your local stores to see if they have them in stock. But for this one, online YouTube shopping links, you'll see all those buttons popping up. First up, we have the HART 11-piece 3/8-inch standard socket set, metric sockets. It says normally $20, but just $14. Comes with this handy-dandy little holder. You know what? If I was putting this in my toolbox, I might just cut the top off of this thing and leave the tray in the box. But you can see we got nice big engraved numbers on the side there. Does it show us all the sizes? Of course, we can't see from here what all sizes are included. There we go. 9 through 19. Looks like no skips for your 3/8 drive socket set. Next one, we have the cousin, the SAE sockets. Again, it's going to be HART 11-piece 3/8-inch standard sockets. Normally $20 on this one. I'm not sure where they get their original price from. It seems kind of random. But down to just $13.97 for your SAE sockets, and your sizes for this starts out at 5/16. I'd really like to have a 1/4 inch in there, but okay, starts out at 5/16. You got that 11/32 you'll be using every day, all the way up to 13/16. Next up, we have a HART 5-piece flex head ratcheting wrench set. This is the SAE version, normally $30 down to $20.92. Getting a handy-dandy roll-up pouch with some big-ass numbering on it, which I actually like a lot because I'm blind and otherwise can't see anything. There it is with the wrenches in the pouches. So we go from 3/8 all the way up to 5/8. Again, the flex heads, you got to have these in the toolbox, get into those tight spaces, maybe something's in the way, you got like a bolt hanging out or a bracket or something, you can give a little bend and fit it in there. 180-degree access, 72 tooth ratcheting wrenches, $20.92. Here we have another socket set for you. This is going to be the 11-piece 1/2-inch drive standard socket set. This is metric sockets, normally about $21 down to $14.58. See how you'll easily get to $35. Picking up a couple of socket sets, you're going to get that free shipping right to your door. Again, we're in this lockable or latching little case for them. And here we have 10 millimeter through 21 millimeter. As Walmart's clearing out the HART tools, we benefit. Here we have the 11-piece 1/2-inch standard SAE sockets. And this one, $23 was the original price. Again, I don't know what's going on there. Down to $16.32. Same handy-dandy case. Starting out at 3/8 all the way up to 1 inch. Get a big boy socket in there. No fractions. And we have the HART 8-inch multifunctional Linesman pliers, comfort grips, chrome vanadium. Normally $17.84 down to just $12.48, saving yourself $5 on these guys there. We're stripping, we're cutting, we're gripping. Our 8-inch Linesman pliers, $12.48. Next up, another socket set for you. This time we got the impact sockets, the 10-piece 3/8-inch drive SAE impact socket set with the storage case. Normally $23 down to $15.97, saving almost $7. I like the, I don't know what you call it, etching or whatever. Get a high contrast on these. Nice and easily readable. Going back to the blind thing. The sizes for this set here is going to be starting out at 5/16 again, going through 7/8. Again, 3/8 drive, 6-point, deep well. Were they all 6-point? I feel like they all were. I wasn't totally paying attention. I also can't speak. 11-piece 3/8-inch deep socket set. This is going to be the SAE sockets, chromies. Normally $17.88 down to $12.48. Boy, barely over $10 for your deep SAE socket. Saving $5 on this one. These were 6-point as well. You got the rounded corners so you don't round off your fasteners. Put all the pressure on the flats of your nuts and your bolts. Make them last a little longer. Interesting. We don't have the size breakdown here. That's the first one. Looks like it's going up to 7/8. Probably starts at 5/16 like everything else did. Nope, that one goes down to 1/4 inch. Call me a liar. You had to trick me on the one that didn't give the breakdown. Here we have the HART 9-inch long nose locking pliers. You got to have the long nose locking pliers. I know you got standard vice grips, regular plier style. No, you need these. Get that extra reach in there. Normally $12 down to $8.48 for your 9-inch long nose locking pliers. So there it is, guys. Just a few of the HART clearance items that I found. I got home from buying that air compressor and all those air tools. Again, that was in yesterday's video. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. And I thought, you know what? I got to see what's available online. I really want the die grinder, so I'm going to have to pair a few things together to get the die grinder, a couple of these clearance sockets, maybe some of the sockets to go with my new impact wrenches and air ratchet. So there it is, guys. YouTube links. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Give the video a like. I'll see you guys next time.